What's up, guys? I got the Kraton out, 6S EXB RTR. About to spin her up here. Let's get the bashing. But first, what I want to do, I want to calibrate it, make sure it's set right. Got it all calibrated. Look at them. Man, this is gonna kill me. Them EXB. Of course, you know I did the tires. Did the front bumper. And she all calibrated. Now I'm 34 table on. I got on 50%. Let me throw it up to 100. I don't even feel like playing. I'm still running at yo. She got speed for to be on a 13.2. I just wanted to get the feel of it. Definitely need to tighten up the brakes. It's my first time driving it. And you can tell it's a gyro in here. Definitely got a gyro. I'm gonna turn that gyro down because I don't like gyros and bashers. I'm gonna turn that down real quick, be right back. So far, I like it. Steering is what it seems like the steering a little weak there. Let me hold up. Oh, here we go. All right. Servo is nice and strong. He's going Willie. What kills me, I don't understand why they don't put Willie bars on these cars. Man, I ain't getting none of that. Yo, this thing is a beast. Oh my God. It's driving how I expected it to. It's a it's definitely driving like I expected it to. Nice handling. Suspensions is on point. Up, I want to avoid that water. Yo, this thing is a beast. It feels different. It feels a lot smoother. It does feel a lot smoother than my other 6S Kraton. But then I had that for years, so yeah, definitely gonna handle that jump. Have a hard time full triggering, I'll tell you that much. Yo. I am having a hard time on full trigger. First flip. Well, crash. Beast. Something else I meant to mention is the wing mount. The wing mount is thicker than the previous one. I still would prefer the RPM. Oh shoot. I ain't expect to go over there. Yeah, this thing is a monster, boy. I gotta see where this thing gonna come out at. Whoa! That was a little hard tumble. That came down the wrong way. Yeah, this gyro is kicking in. ABC. I can tell how the tire's turning. Whoa! Yeah, she jumped nice, man. The power is punching on here. Yo. Power is definitely punching. I just don't want this thing to... Nice controlled jump. You control it in the air. But it rides just like the original Kraton, except it's upgraded. Just parts is upgraded. Certain things is upgraded on it. I might can pull off a backflip, but I don't think I'm gonna try that. Coming off these jumps pretty smooth though. Yeah, but that wing mount, that wing mount is upgraded. Nice and upgraded. Yo, this thing is wow. I knew I wouldn't be disappointed. I'm gonna let y'all know. Oh, my battery is dead. It must be set high, because this battery should not be dead this soon. I'm gonna do a speed test on this. The tires balloon, but not as bad as I thought it would. I'm gonna try to get a full throttle before this battery die on me. Ah, something. This thing's a beast. Oh, I almost ran into my truck. Oh yeah, she's a monster. Look at this beast here. More coming soon, so stay tuned. Hit that like button, hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching. And I'm out.